To create a felled seam or a flat fell seam, begin by lining up your fabric edges with the right sides together. With this method though, you can actually start by placing the wrong sides together and end up with a nice finish. Once you've pinned your seam, continue by stitching with a seam allowance of at least 5/8 of an inch. Then you'll want to press your seam open. Next, carefully trim just one side of your seam to about 1/4 of an inch or so. One side should be longer than the other now. To finish the seam, make sure the two sides of your item are laid open like so, and that the longer seam edge is folded over so that it's resting on top of the shorter edge. Again, making sure your piece is open, fold the longer edge of the seam over and tuck it under the shorter edge, then top stitch close to that fold. You may want to press the edge under and pin, but because there is such a small amount of fabric to work with here, I usually just tuck it under as I go. Just be sure to keep your fingers out of the path of the needle. The side you see here is actually the wrong side of the fabric. As you can see, it creates a really nice finish on both sides, which is why I mentioned earlier that you can start by placing either the right or the wrong sides together. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this, please be sure you're subscribed to my channel and tap or click that notification bell. Please leave a comment if you have a question, request, or just want to say hi. Links to my various sites can be found in the description. Thanks again, and happy sewing!